What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and if you like the quality that you're hearing right now, I think you're gonna like the next product we're gonna talk about. This is the DJI Mic, and this thing has some really crispy audio. So let's talk about it. All right, so if you create any type of content, you probably got the whole video thing down pat. But you also need the crispy audio. And this is what the DJI mic is gonna get you. Now, this is the actual mic setup itself. I've taken it out. I'm actually using the receiver right now to do this video. So let me know in the comments down below how this thing is gonna sound. Because I won't know until I pull this data and render it and do all that good editing and all that stuff. So I won't even know how this sounds until right before I do it. And I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm not gonna edit the sound or anything. So let me know below how this thing is sounding. So this is a wireless mic from DJI, 250 meters of transmission. Now that's over 800 feet away from the actual receiver. Just keep that in mind. That's a crazy number. It has dual channel recording, so each one of the transmitters can act on its own, as left as well as right. 14 hours of onboard memory. It's portable, super compact. It has a wide variety of compatibility. That just means it's going to work with pretty much anything. Your USB Type-C phones, your iPhones. It actually comes with adapters. I'm going to show you all that in just a moment. It works with your computers, so on and so forth. Works with everything. And it has a 15-hour battery with the case itself. So you're gonna get this nice pouch that it comes in. There you go. And you do get a few extra features, such as your USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable, as well as your windscreens right here. So you use these on the little mics on the transmitter. Now, I'm using one of the transmitters right now, but this is what they're gonna look like. And just a quick tour. Has wireless charging down here, has a power on and off button. These can be charged separately, has a magnet on the back on the clip. The microphone is up top. There's a port for your headphone. Then you have the pair button and you have a record button that it will record the onboard storage, 14 hours worth of onboard storage on here. So you're gonna get two of these, and the actual casing looks just like this. Transmitters on each side, receiver in the middle. The receiver clip comes in here. I'll actually show you, so don't worry. You actually get the adapters right here, one for your USB Type-C and one for your Lightning. Goes to your iPhones, your iPads, all that good stuff. And then when you close it up, that is pretty much it. Super compact, nice, slim, fits in your hand. Pop that transmitter back in there, close it up, put all this good stuff back in here. And what we're gonna do is we'll take this thing outside and see what kind of quality we're gonna get outdoors. All right, so we're outside. We got the DJI mic set up. I got transmitter number one like right here up under my shirt. You can probably hear me tapping on it. Okay, so transmitter number one, and we told you that these things can go about 800 feet away from the receiver. So I'm just gonna back all the way down my driveway. Okay, and now here I am at the end of my driveway. I'm walking out into the street. Let me know how the audio quality is down below. I'll check it when I get ready to actually upload this and do the edit and everything, but I'm pretty much across the street right now, and yeah, that's it. So I'm sure this is not 800 feet, but I'm a long way from this. So this just gives you a kind of a taste of how far this thing can go from the actual device. So the transmitter is still on me. I'm tapping it, and you should be able to hear everything that I'm saying. And now I'm standing over by the stop sign. You may not be able to see me, but like literally over on the other side of the street by the stop sign, I'm hanging out on the sidewalk, and you should still be able to hear me pretty clearly. I'm gonna tap one more time right there, and I'm gonna head back up the driveway right about now. So as I'm walking up the driveway, it should still be connected. It shouldn't be any issues, and I'm hoping this thing works out. I'm gonna be really surprised. I'll listen to this and then we'll upload it. And then what I want you guys to do is just give me your honest feedback of how this thing actually sounded as I went all the way across the street, all the way over by the stop sign, and hopefully it sounded good. I've done a couple of videos with this before today, just maybe 2, and the audio quality was really crisp, really clear, and I didn't have any crackles, no pops, no ups and downs, nothing. It picked up everything that I said, and even kind of the noise like right around me, it kind of dulled it out so that I could be heard. So let me know in the description below what you hear and if you like what you hear. So that's been it. This is the DJI Mic, probably one of the best mic setups I've ever had. It works with your cameras, it works with your laptops, it works with your cell phones. It comes with adapters for your iPhone as well as any phone with USB Type-C. So go by and check it out. You're gonna pay about $329 for this setup, but you're gonna get 2 transmitters, a receiver. You get everything that you need with this whole kit. And the transmitters, they're actually magnetic, so you really can't go wrong. You can use this in pretty much any setting. Why not? So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. And until next time, be sure to give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.